Y'all, so this morning I wake up and I find out that somebody has spoofed my YouTube account. Now it is enough to have to deal with this on Instagram. If you guys haven't seen it before, there's a very common scam. It's a phishing scam, and what the scammers do is they copy your content or your profile photo, and then they talk to people as if they're you. Now on Instagram, what they do is they spoof your whole profile, and then they start trying to follow all the people that their account they're spoofing follows, to see if they can get people to follow them back. And then they also start DMing people and telling them that they're offering them readings. They give them a WhatsApp or a WhatsApp phone number, or they try to ask them for money. I will never do this, but it's happened a lot on Instagram, and it is a pain in the butt to get fixed. I don't know why it's still happening, but today it happened to me on YouTube, and I about lost my damn mind. So I don't know why YouTube doesn't have this stuff blocked. I put some stuff in place in the back end that should block it. But should you ever get a comment that looks like it's from me, that asks you for money, or suggests that you DM me, or that I have a WhatsApp. First of all, I barely know what WhatsApp is. I don't have a WhatsApp. I will never ask you for money. I will never solicit readings. I am a busy, busy freaking girl. I do not have time to be asking y'all to book a reading with me. I mean, I don't know how else to say it. Like, it's just really frustrating. I don't think you guys are falling for it. It's just frustrating that it happens. And then when it happens, I block the person. Like this morning, I blocked them, but YouTube didn't automatically remove all their comments. So I had to go through and manually find them all and remove them all. And this has happened on Instagram before too. And it's frustrating because I don't know how to keep it from happening. So anyways, that was annoying. And it happened on Peggy's Pick a Card video, which was like, no, it was so frustrating. So yeah, now the good news is at least on my end, when I saw one of the comments, it looked like it was from somebody else. Like, so in the notifications, when I clicked it, the comment had one name, like a foreign sounding name. I don't even remember. I think it started with an S. And then when I clicked the comment to look at it, it said it was me and had my profile picture. So that's weird. It's almost like they left the comment and then changed the profile, or maybe, I don't know. So that could be a red flag if you ever see a weird comment from me, but I can't control it, and sometimes I may not get to it as quickly as I did today, so please just be careful and, like, don't WhatsApp people and give them money, because it's probably phishing, and it's phishing. Like, let's be honest. If somebody's messaging you or commenting to you and saying, oh, WhatsApp me, even if it looks like a creator you know or somebody that you follow on social media, like, please don't give those people money, because, yeah, it's a problem. So, anyways, I just wanted to pop on here and give you guys a bit of a heads up that that is something that is happening, and that I'm a little frustrated because girl doesn't have time to be filtering through comments looking for spammers and spoofers. And it's really frustrating because usually on YouTube, when you click hide this user and you block them from your channel, their comments all immediately disappear. And it could just be that it wasn't showing them disappeared for me, and it really had disappeared them all, but it didn't look like it. So then I went through and manually removed them all. So, because I just don't want anybody to get scammed, particularly in my name. Like, no, that's not okay. Also, I reported the person for harassing me, and I don't know, we'll see what happens, but it's a little frustrating when that kind of stuff happens. So if you ever see something looks funny, you guys are pretty diligent, and I appreciate you all so much for that, but just please don't fall for it. And yeah, feel free to let me know. I will say that usually when something like this happens, I get a lot of a heads up from you guys rather, so thank you so much for keeping me posted. Anyways, I'm going to stop babbling here and get back to the rest of my day. If you haven't seen my new hot takes video, go check that out, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye!